Hi guys, welcome back. I'm back again with just an update on the Euro USD position that I took, I think, a few days ago. We are basically just still stuck just below that resistance zone in red there. I thought let me come back and give you guys an update of that trade. I haven't been taken out. Um, fortunately, I haven't been taken out. Price did try to come back, and it just tapped the zone. You can clearly see there, and it's that's where it is. It seems like we are just dancing along that zone. So it's a wait and see game to see what's going to happen. Well, like I always say in my previous videos. I am one person who is happy. I'm always happy for the market to prove me wrong. And with the way that I trade, and sometimes I do hold positions for a very long time. So that's not a biggie. It's not a big, and you can see why I'm holding there. This is the dollar index, and we're also stuck on that zone. If we break out of that zone, then I know that the dollar index wants to continue going up, which will mean that my sales on Euro USD will be valid. But if the dollar index goes continues dropping below that resistance zone there, then I know that my Euro USD positions are now invalid. So that's how I build a picture. But for now, I am bullish on the dollar and I am certainly bearish on the euro. That's why I am still holding those positions. And it takes great courage. It takes great courage. Many people don't know how to do this. And yeah, what helps also is because I am also doing other things. So I don't always come here and look, wow, this is happened. Then I panic and I get in, I get out of trades and stuff like that. I'm trading synthetic indices. I'm doing robots. I'm also doing many other things on the side. So sometimes all this is happening when I'm away from my chart. So yeah, I just thought let me give you an update of that trade. So since you are here, maybe something just to benefit you for your trading, and I'm hopefully to benefit you in your trading, because that's what this channel is about, to help one another to become better traders. So what are the 5 trading rules that I think every trader needs to adhere to? What are the 5 trading rules that I believe every trader must adhere to? You have your own rules, you have your own thoughts. If you have your own rules, leave them in the comment section below so that we help one another, we help other traders as well. So, the first one for me will be, and this one is big for me, when you are choosing your currencies, many people make the mistake here. When you are choosing currency pairs to trade, what you want to do is to always go for a strong currency versus a weak currency. Many people usually make the mistake of trading currencies that are strong at that point in time and try to trade them together. As just an argument, let's say the yen is strong and the dollar is also strong. Stay away from US Japanese yen, USD JPY. What you want to do is to wait for one of those to become weak. If you know that the dollar is now weak and the yen is stronger, or the yen is weak and the dollar is strong, then you can come back and you trade that pair. There are many forex scanners out there, like Finviz, and there are several others that people use for MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. You can try some of them, and you basically find the weakest currency and you trade it against the strongest currency. That's a guarantee for a successful trade. That's rule number one. Rule number two, always focus on logic. I know it's hard sometimes when you are in trading, and definitely emotions come into play because you are watching, maybe your money is getting taken by the broker, or the market is not going the way that you thought it was going to go. A lot of things happening because you are human. So sometimes emotions do come into play. Emotions, you end up taking trades that you should not have taken, or you end up closing positions too early and only just to watch other people making money on a trade that you should have been. So when you enter a trade, enter based on rules and logic. I always say have at least one, not one, two, three, or four reasons why you took that trade. That's including when you get out of that trade, also have a reason why you are closing that trade. Don't just do things willy nilly. Have some system, a logic to it. Don't personalize things. Even when you lose, don't personalize things. The market is the market. The market will do what the market wants to do, despite your analysis, despite your everything. So don't take things personal. Do by logic. Number three is to always limit your risk. I know there are people who tend to want to bet their whole account on a single position because they are so confident that that setup makes them money, or they are confident in their analysis, they are confident in their abilities. Sometimes you get away with it, but usually the next time you won't. So what you want to do is, with every trade that you take, make sure you have in place ways to limit your risk, including trading small, having stop losses in place, and things like that. Do everything in your power, to limit risk. That's what you do as a trader. Limit the risk. That's how you end up making money in the long run. Number four, or it should be, is it number five? Number four. Uh, Another mistake that I see people making in trading also is basically not having a plan for managing their trades. So what usually happens is people know how to enter. People just are looking for setups just to enter. But people don't know how to manage their trades. You need to know how to manage your trades. If you start making money with that trade, how are you going to manage that trade? How are you going to trail it? When are you going to get out? If it goes against you, what are you going to do? So you need to have a plan of managing trades, because usually I've noticed that because people don't have a plan for managing their trades, that's when usually they let their winning trades become losing trades. Never, ever, ever let a winning trade turn into a loser. So those are some of the rules that I just wanted to share with you guys. If you are new on this channel, please consider subscribing so that you don't miss future videos. Go ahead and like this video. See the links in the description box below if you are looking to download free Forex robots, indicators, books, and stuff like that. If you are like people who always ask me about the broker that I use, their link is in the description box below. For just $5, you can start trading with a real life trading account, which is good for trading, for testing strategies, robots, systems, and stuff like that, without putting too much capital on the line. So go ahead and sign up with them. The link is in the description box below. Guys, I'll see you in the next videos. I hope you make lots of money. Bye.